Hello guys, this is Puzzles on Numbers and this is video number 7. Let's get started with the first question. The product of two fractions is 14 by 15 and their quotient is 35 by 24. What is the greater fraction? So there are two fractions. Let's consider them A and B. So the product of these two fractions is 14 by 15. So we can write AB is equal to 14 by 15. Next, their quotient is 35 by 24. So if we divide A by B, we get 35 by 24. So A by B is equal to 35 by 24. Let us name these equations 1 and 2. This is 1 and this is 2. So if we multiply 1 by 2, on the left hand side we will multiply AB times A by B. So we get AB times A by B is equal to, on the right hand side we get 14 by 15 times 35 by 24. So this B and this B gets cancelled out. What remains is A square is equal to 2 times 7 is 14, 2 times 12 is 24, and here 5 times 3 is 15, 5 times 7 is 35. So we get 7 square divided by, in the denominator we have 12 3s are 36. So therefore we get the value of A as equal to under root of 7 square by 36, and that is equal to root of 7 square is 7 upon root of 36 is 6. So A is equal to 7 by 6. We have the value of A, we can calculate the value of B. Let's take any of these equations. Let us take this first equation, put this value of A into it. So we have AB is equal to 14 by 15 and A is 7 by 6. So it becomes 7 by 6 times B is equal to 14 by 15. So we get B is equal to 14 by 15 times 6 by 7. So 3 times 2 is 6, 3 times 5 is 15. So 7 times 1 is 7, 7 times 2 is 14. So B's value is equal to 2 times 2 by 5. So B is equals to 4 by 5. So we have A's value, we have B's value. Now A is greater than B because the numerator of A is greater than the denominator of A, whereas the numerator of B is less than the denominator of B. So A is greater, therefore the greater fraction is 7 by 6. Let's solve the second question now. The denominator of a fraction is 3 more than the numerator. If the numerator as well as the denominator are increased by 4, the fraction becomes 4 by 5. What was the original fraction then? Okay, so we have been given that the denominator of the fraction is 3 more than the numerator. Let the fraction be A by B. So the denominator is 3 more than the numerator. Therefore we can write B is equals to A plus 3. And if the numerator as well as the denominator are increased by 4, so the numerator and the denominator are increased by 4, so we have A plus 4 by B plus 4, the fraction becomes 4 by 5. So this is equal to 4 by 5. Now you can put the value of B in this equation and get the value of A and then the value of B. So we can write this as A plus 4 by B's value is A plus 3. So A plus 3 plus 4 is equals to 4 by 5. And that is equal to, let's move this 5 to the left hand side of equals to. So 5A plus 5 4s are 20 divided by A plus 3 plus 4 is 7 is equal to 4. Let's move this A plus 7 to the right hand side. So we get 5A plus 20 is equals to 4A plus 4 7s are 28. So 5A minus 4A is A equals to 20 moves to the right hand side of equals to, so it becomes 28 minus 20, and 28 minus 20 is 8. So A's value is 8. We can find out the value of B, which is equal to A plus 3. So B is equal to 8 plus 3, and that is 11. So b's value is 11 and a's value is 8. So the fraction is 8 by 11. So the answer is option A. The numerator and the denominator of a fraction are in the ratio of 2 by 3. If 6 is subtracted from the numerator, the result is a fraction that has a value 2/3 of the original fraction. What is the numerator of the original fraction? Okay, so the numerator and the denominator of the fraction are in the ratio of 2 by 3. So a by b is equal to, we can write 2x by 3x. So the ratio is 2 by 3. Therefore, as we have been given the ratio, we can comfortably say that a is equal to 2x and b is equals to 3x. Now we have to find the value of x so that we get the value of a and b. Let's see what else has been given. If 6 is subtracted from the numerator, so we have a minus 6, then the result is a fraction that has a value 2/3 of the original fraction. So a minus 6 by b is equal to 2/3 of the original fraction. So 2 by 3 of a by b. So 2 by 3 times a by b. Now put the values of a and b in this equation and get the value of x. So a is 2x, so this gets us 2x minus 6 upon b is 3x is equal to twice of a is twice of 2x, which is 4x. So we have 4x divided by thrice of b. So thrice of 3x is equals to 9x. So x and x get cancelled out. This is equal to 9 moves to the left. So 9 2s are 18. 18x minus 6 9s are 54 is equals to 3 4s are 12. So 12x. Therefore, 18 minus 12x is 6x is equals to 54. Therefore, x's value is 9. 6 9s are 54. So x is 9. We can find out the value of numerator. Numerator is a, which is 2x. So 2 times 9, and therefore a is equals to 18. 9 2s are 18. So the numerator is 18. Now the fourth question. If 1 is added to the denominator of a fraction, the fraction becomes half. If 1 is added to the numerator, the fraction becomes 1. What is the fraction? So let the fraction be a by b. If 1 is added to the denominator, the fraction becomes half. So we have a by b plus 1. It is equals to 1 by 2. And if 1 is added to the numerator, the fraction becomes 1. So we can write a plus 1 by b is equals to 1. So this is 2a is equals to b plus 1, and this one is a plus 1 is equals to b. Now put the value of b is equal to a plus 1 in this equation. So we get 2a is equals to a plus 1 plus 1. So 2a is equals to a plus 2. So 2a minus a is equal to 2. So a's value is 2 and b's value is b is equals to a plus 1. So it is 2 plus 1. Therefore b is equal to 3. So the fraction is a by b, which is 2 by 3. So the answer is option B. And finally, the last question. Increasing the numerator of a fraction by 6 increases the fraction by 3 by 4. What is the denominator of the fraction? So let the fraction be a by b. We are increasing the numerator by 6, so a plus 6 by b. It increases the fraction by 3 by 4. So the original fraction was a by b plus 3 by 4. So we can solve this. We have a plus 6 by b is equal to 4a plus 3b by 4b. This b and this b gets cancelled out. So we can move this 4 to the left. So we have 4a plus 6 4s are 24 is equals to 4a plus 3b. 4a and 4a get cancelled out. So we have 24 is equals to 3b. Therefore b is equal to 24 by 3, which is 6. So b's value is 6 and b is the denominator of the fraction. So the answer is option D.